Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get unbanned from Grindr. So without further ado, let's get started. You might get banned from Grindr if you perform any suspicious activities such as swiping too much, crossing your limit, or performing other suspicious activities. So there are two possible bans that you might get. First one temporary, and then the other one is permanent. So to log in back to your Grindr account, there are a few possibilities that you might get unbanned again. So first one, you can change your internet IP address by switching your Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi. For that, go to your Wi-Fi and then try connecting to the other Wi-Fi and try to log in your Grindr account again. If that doesn't help you again, you can just simply use your mobile data and then try logging in again. And then the best option to change your IP address must be downloading a VPN on your device. For that, open your Play Store and then download a VPN and then try restoring your internet again and log into your Grindr account, and you will be able to log into your Grindr account and you will get unbanned from Grindr account again. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, press the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.